to use PlayStation Activity Card feature. So let me tell you guys, PlayStation Activity Cards are a console-specific feature for the PS5 interface and are not natively interactive or viewable as standalone cards directly inside the mobile PlayStation app. However, you can access and trigger games using Activity Cards on your mobile device by streaming your console via the official Remote Play app. Now, to access Activity Cards via mobile, what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then download both PlayStation app and the Remote Play app on your iOS or Android device. Then go to your PS5 settings and go to its system. Then go to Remote Play and enable Remote Play. Then pair the device using the code provided on screen. Now open the Remote Play app on your phone. Then connect to your console and your console screen will stream directly to your mobile display. Now, while streaming the game on your phone, tap the on-screen PS5 button on the mobile overlay to bring up the PS5 control center. Then navigate to the game's active cards from the control center overlay to track progress, jump to specific missions, or resume challenges just as you would on a TV. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.